Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we get older, many of us want hairstyles that are stylish, easy to manage and save time every morning. The good news is that there are many beautiful haircuts that look great without needing a lot of work. Let's explore some wonderful haircut ideas that can help you look confident and feel comfortable every day. First, let's talk about the classic pixie cut. A pixie cut is short, fresh and very easy to maintain. It dries quickly after washing and usually needs very little styling. This haircut can make your facial features stand out and gives a modern, youthful look. Many women over 50 love the pixie cut because it is simple yet elegant. Another great option is the layered bob. The bob haircut has been popular for many years and for good reason. A layered bob adds movement and volume to the hair. It works well for fine or thin hair because it can be styled in just a few minutes. Whether your hair is straight or slightly wavy, a layered bob is a beautiful and practical choice. Next is the chin length bob. This haircut frames the face nicely and is easy to care for. It can be worn naturally without spending much time on styling. Many women choose this haircut because it looks polished and professional while remaining simple. If you prefer slightly longer hair, consider a shoulder length layered cut. Layers create softness and make the hair look fuller. This haircut is easy to maintain and gives you flexibility. You can wear it loose, tight back or create soft waves when you want a different look. For women with naturally wavy hair, a textured cut is a wonderful choice. The natural waves add volume and shape, reducing the need of daily styling. Simply apply a little leave-in conditioner or styling cream and you are ready to go. Another popular option is the shag haircut. Modern shag cuts features soft layers that create texture and movement. They work especially well for women who want a relaxed and trendy appearance. The shag haircut looks great even when air dried, making it a true low maintenance style. Now let's not forget about curly hair. Women with natural curls can choose a layered curly cut. Layers help curls keep their shape while reducing bulk. This style celebrates natural texture and requires less effort than straightening or heavily styling the hair every day. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.